And stock market today gave salutations to 2072 Samvat on a positive note. Well, our correspondent Shyama Mishra spoke to a few traders and MD and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange Ashish Chauhan. Well, experts are of the view that the reforms taken by the government on the FDI front will play an important role in boosting the confidence of the stock markets.
Summer 2072 has already begun. What are your expectations for summer 2072?
This year we are expecting a very bullish trend in the market. Economy is booming, a lot of reforms coming from Modi government, and I feel internationally the rating of India is going quite well. Ease to do business, we are topping out. Confidence index, we are topping out. So everywhere we are moving ahead. So what I personally feel, and we are more bullish on the infrastructure stocks. We are bullish on some of the banking stocks also, because good reforms, good bankruptcy policies coming up by which would help good governance in banking.
How would the 2072 Samvat would be?
Now FDI is declared by the finance minister. That is good sign. But now we cannot predict where market will go, because investor is now in mood to buy or not to buy.
Summer 2072 is here, and we have the head of BSE, Ashish Chauhan. Sir, the Mahurat trading just took place, and how do you think the summer 2072 would be like?
This year, the Sensex has performed extremely well compared to the rest of the world. Although it may not look as if Sensex moved up much, but effectively, Chinese market has gone down. Europe is not doing so well. US is not doing so well, and even Japan is not doing so well. So somewhere India has been the hope, and somewhere it has consolidated very well.
Also for Indian economy, for Indian markets, they say, the analysts are saying that trade but with caution. So do you think India can also face a situation like China?
In fact, you must trade always with caution. These are risk instruments. If possible, you should invest in government bonds, which never will default, and they will always give you more returns. Equity is risky instruments, and derivatives are even riskier. For small investors, don't trade in derivatives because you can lose a lot. Equities over long period give you lot of returns, and that's why you should be investing for long term and not play 2020. Many people today promote buying morning and selling in the evening. Small investors should never get involved in that.
Trade for long-term investment and also trade with caution. And India is and will be a brighter spot. These are the words coming from the head of BSE, Ashish Chauhan, with camera person Gaurav Kagra. This is Shyama Mishra for DD News, Mumbai.
Well, so positivity all across the stock markets. Well, that's it in this world of finance. For other news, back to you, Preeti. And once again, happy Diwali to you, and a profitable year ahead as well.
Thank you, Arun, for joining us with Finance World. That was Arun telling us of the positivity and the optimism which has been